This is a tent for your laptop, and you open the bag and release it. Be careful because it has metal wiring on here. So loosen it up like that, and it's that easy. No other assembly required. A lot of people want to use this on the beach when they on their laptop, maybe they're working, or you can protect your laptop from the sun. Why do you need this tent? Well, you may need this tent because you might be on your laptop working and you don't want people to overlook you, so you might want a little bit of privacy. Or if you're out on the beach camping and you have a lot of sun outside, you want to protect your electronics when it comes to the sun. You first need to get yourself a table. If you don't have a table, you could be on the beach laying down. You could just put it on the floor, but a lot of people have a beach chair or a camping chair. So get your camping chair, get yourself your little table, put this on the table just like that. Then you put your laptop on the inside right here, and it fits nice and perfect. Now, this is a 14-inch laptop, so it fits my 14-inch in there very nice. Very comfortable. Now we are in the real world review outside where you will be at, and I have to say that you gotta love this thing. Now the sun is actually hitting us right now, as you can see. All right, our laptop is fully covered. It will save your laptop, it will save your camera, whatever you putting in here. Over this side you could put in your cell phone, your pins, and then you can unzip in this and you can have side access. If you want this to stay up, you have to roll it up. Now one-handed bandit on y'all, but you roll it up and you put it on the Velcro, and now you have easy access to the side. And then you could do the same thing on this side. If you have another cell phone, you could put it right in. You have your zipper right here, roll it up, there you go. You can access that side, you can access there right in the middle, you can access this side, and then you have the back side. Most importantly, you can put your charger wires right through here. All right, well, this is a 14-inch computer. Right here I have a 17-inch gaming laptop, and there you go. It says it's waterproof. No water is falling on my son's laptop. Waterproof. All right, you guys, and when you're done, fold it up as a cone. When you fold it, you want to go inside of the cone. All right, inside, so you make sure that this wire don't spring back out on you. Hold it down like this. You want to grab this side and fold it inside of this side. All right, and now you have a circle, and then you put it in. It may be a little tricky, a little hard because the wires are very stiff. Zip it back up. And then you can go about your traveling day. So that will be it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section, and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.